The kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a space where design meets functionality, where families gather, and where trends evolve with time. As we enter 2025, kitchens are transforming into sleek, stylish, and highly functional spaces that embrace both modern aesthetics and smart innovations. This year, we're seeing a shift toward bolder colors, elegant cabinetry, and high-end countertops that redefine luxury and practicality. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for ideas to refresh your space, this video will guide you through the most exciting kitchen trends of 2025. 1. The color palette evolution. In 2025, kitchens are stepping away from all-white sterile designs and embracing warm, natural tones that bring depth and character to the space. Deep forest greens, rich terracotta, and warm taupes are making waves, adding a touch of coziness without compromising on elegance. These earthy shades are perfect for creating a timeless look while keeping the kitchen inviting. For those who love moody, dramatic kitchens, deep charcoal, midnight blue, and espresso brown are the go-to shades. These colors pair beautifully with metallic accents like brushed brass or matte black hardware, creating a high-end, sophisticated aesthetic. On the lighter side, creamy whites, soft greys, and warm beige remain favorites for those who prefer a bright and airy feel. These tones work perfectly with natural wood textures and create a seamless blend of modern and classic styles. 2. Cabinetry, blending functionality with luxury. Kitchen cabinets are no longer just about storage, they're a statement piece that defines the overall look of the space. In 2025, minimalist, sleek cabinets with clean lines and hidden handles are dominating modern kitchens. Flat panel doors with matte finishes in deep hues or wood grains are replacing traditional designs, giving kitchens a more refined and high-end feel. For homeowners looking for a mix of classic and modern, two-tone cabinetry is a trend that continues to shine. Think dark lower cabinets combined with light upper cabinets or a rich wood island contrasted against neutral wall cabinets. This dynamic look adds visual interest and keeps the space from feeling monotonous. Another key trend: glass front cabinets and open shelving, which allow homeowners to display beautiful dishware, high-end cookware, or decorative pieces. This style keeps kitchens feeling more open and inviting, especially when paired with warm interior lighting. 3. Countertops that redefine elegance. Countertops are a major focal point in modern kitchens, and in 2025, the trend is shifting toward bold, luxurious materials that enhance both style and durability. Quartz remains the top choice, with its ability to mimic natural stone while being resistant to stains and scratches. The latest designs feature dramatic veining, marble-inspired textures, and waterfall edges for a sleek, upscale look. For those who love an edgier aesthetic, black granite, dark soapstone, and leathered stone surfaces are becoming popular. These materials add depth and contrast, especially when paired with warm wood cabinetry or gold-toned fixtures. Sustainability is also influencing countertop choices. Recycled stone, eco-friendly composite surfaces, and terrazzo-style finishes are gaining traction, offering stylish alternatives that are both responsible and visually striking. 4. Backsplashes, the statement feature of 2025. While classic subway tiles will always have their place, 2025 is all about bold, artistic backsplashes that turn the kitchen into a design masterpiece. Full-height backsplashes made from quartz, marble, or porcelain slabs are trending, creating a seamless, elegant look that extends from the countertops to the walls. For a more textured appeal, handmade zellage tiles, geometric patterns, and herringbone layouts are being used to add personality and depth. The color choices are also becoming more adventurous. Deep blues, warm reds, and even metallic finishes are making their way into modern kitchens, adding a unique and sophisticated charm. One standout trend is mirror and glass backsplashes, which help reflect light and make small kitchens feel more spacious. Whether you choose a glossy finish for a sleek appearance or a tinted mirror for a vintage touch, this trend is all about adding visual interest. 5 Smart kitchens, where technology meets convenience. The kitchens of 2025 aren't just about looks, they're about intelligence and efficiency. Smart appliances with voice control, touchless faucets, and app-connected ovens are becoming must-haves in modern homes. Imagine preheating your oven with a simple voice command, or having a refrigerator that suggests recipes based on what's inside. It's all possible now. Hidden technology is another rising trend. Wireless charging stations embedded in countertops, smart lighting that adjusts based on the time of day, and motion sensor cabinets make everyday kitchen tasks seamless and hassle-free. Another game changer is induction cooktops, which are sleek, energy efficient, and safer than traditional gas stoves. Plus, with their seamless integration into countertops, they add to the modern, clutter-free aesthetic. Kitchens in 2025 are all about striking the perfect balance between style and functionality. Whether you're drawn to moody tones, sleek cabinetry, luxurious countertops, or cutting-edge technology, there's a trend to suit every taste and space. Which trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest home design trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.